Mate, you're 40. Get that fucking phone out of your hand like a fucking kid. A 40-year-old man. What the fuck? He was wearing high heels yesterday. What's with these two juice heads you got? What the fuck was that yesterday? He jumped up and he shouted, Voltron, Power Rangers, and these fucking juice heads come walking standing before me. Mate, 40 years of age. Get your fucking shit together, my God. You juice head turkey, and you juice head turkey. You some slap head. You little slap head. Boom! I'm so happy you took the hat off, I gotta say. What the fuck were you hiding under that thing? That little fucking peanut head. I'm too quick for you, son.
You know what? This is a microwave meal. I'm a home-cooked meal. And settle in on your stomach. Microwave meal. That's what you are. I'm a home-cooked meal. With that cheap-ass watch on. Step your game up. 1.4 million. Bitch. Today is your birthday. As a gentleman, I want to say happy birthday. I wish you many more.
On the count of 3, I want everyone in this arena to scream at the top of your lungs, fuck Floyd Mayweather!